guys might be wondering, why do I have 6 cubes in front of me right now? Well, that's actually because I am going to be doing a challenge. I'm going to try and solve these 6 cubes in less than 2 minutes, okay? And yeah, all I have to say is let's get started. Pretty easy X cross. Actually, no, it's not. To a really bad start. This cube is so tight. Let's see. Yeah, you guys, honestly, at first, when I first tried out the X-Man cube, I loved it, except now that I have a lot more faster cubes, I realize that it is tensioned way, way too tight. So, yeah. Also, it's not even mine. It is Sky High Speed Cubers, who some of you might know as someone who I'm trying to beat in a race, which you should totally subscribe to me. Because, honestly, like, I never ask for subscribers, but this time I will, because I just want to win at something that involves YouTube. So, yeah, please make sure to like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you very much. Also, even if you don't subscribe, that's totally fine with me. But, yeah. This is a really tight damn cube. Okay, I did not beat the challenge. I got a 2-minute, 23-second solve. Anyways, before I end this video, I just want to tell you guys something and also show you something. So, I'm going to have 2 upcoming comps. I said this in my last video, but I have been practicing 2x2 like crazy. Also, I just switched from layer by layer to Ortega method literally like a day ago. So, I literally had to learn all the algorithms, and this is how fast I am. Okay, that was really bad. I usually average like mid-5s. I got a 6, which is terrible, but make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that later today you don't miss my unfortunately I can't do a live stream, but it's gonna be about an hour and a half long video of where I just cube and like talk to you guys, and like, you know, a lot of speed cubers do it, so just thought, hey, to prove I'm a good speed cuber, I'm just gonna do it. Why are these magnets so tight? I'm literally turning one side and it's turning the middle layer. Okay, well, bye.